Yo, I catch it. You guys, I'm going home. I don't wanna wait for our love to be over.
Your computer and make sure it powers down. Drop it in a 43-foot hole in the ground. Bury it completely, rocks and boulders should be fine. Then burn all the clothes you may have worn anytime you were alive. Virus alert, you need immediately before someone gets hurt.
Illegals in my yard. Illegals in my yard. Throw them some pesos and they work so hard. Illegals in my yard. Illegals in my yard. Illegals in my yard. I don't even ask if they got green card.
This is Rodney Kontorsky. Nobody's better than the Penn Central. Penn Central's the best railroad ever. All these other railroad buffs, they think it's great. Gotta have colored engine, print and such bullshit. Penn Central rules. Penn Central, you can count on us.
Attention, Florida Railfans. Quick! Get to the tracks. A Dash 8 is leading Amtrak 98 Silver Meteor at Magical Yukon. You heard me, you dumb frig. Get out there and go get it so you can make another Instagram post. Oh, wait! I'm just getting word that he's meeting a CSX train at Yukon siding with a YN2 duo. Go! It's time to bounce. Bounce on your boy's pinion to control Point Yukon. Get 'em!
A possible merger between Canada Pacific Railway and
Oh god, that sounds like shit.
Number 7. Student.
I can't get no traction. Just
help us make the voices stop. Please make the voices stop. I can't handle the voices.
Caution. Metro Rail approaching.
What the hell could be the difference between you and me?
The difference is, I'm not mid.
You know what kind of train this is? Well, dig it.
My butt is vulnerable where I'm at right now. I wish I didn't stick my butt out so much. Ah! Oh! Well, I guess I don't need to worry about the butt problems anymore. I have so much more maneuverability now. Oh.
Play with my mama, digger-lean, jiggle my daddy titty. Oh my God, it's a transformer. Oh my God, it's a transformer.
No, for fun, what's the sponsor?
Woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Guys, you will not believe this. There is a Metra MP36 in the Fox Lake yard. Oh yeah, I love the MP36, and it's 403 too. Look how cool that looks. Lord, look how cool that looks.
Toothpaste ad once. Ta-da!
¡Wilson! ¡Lo siento!
Ali, fa la 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 la. It's the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
No.
Yes, we shall tell you forgot something! You're doing it wrong! You're supposed to have cars there! Are you pulling or are you pushing?
Huh, nice headlights, asshole. Would you shut the fuck up?
Your ditch lights are oscillating as you're sitting there. They're off? Oscillating. Oh, lovely.
Come on! Hold that shit!
Bagging up. It's bagging up. What is you doing? He's going forward again. What is he doing? Car bagging up again, dog. I'm really not trying to be funny, dog. What is he?
Cause you're here to dream it every day. You're the best part at the same time, babe. 2001 and 2002.
What the fuck?
Conductor, we have a problem. 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 Conductor, we have a fucking problem. Conductor, we have a problem.
What? This is a moment in history! Take a picture!
Oh my god!
Un video más, mi gente, para pegar el tiempo. Empecemos, que quiera pegar su tiempo.
I don't give
Check it out. Because I completely forgot. Cherry. I'm not Cherry.
What the fuck?
Welcome to Railfanning Irony.
I just lost my dog, and my brother taught me how to chase the bag. Get right in the field, I had to make a bag. The day he lost his soul, wish I could take it back.
Bust out.
Domer. Domer. Domer.
Domer.
I'm not that innocent. I'm not that innocent.
This is a Q Express train to Park Avenue. The next and last stop is Park Avenue. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is what your favorite one of these says about you. You're choosing the safest option. Maybe a little bit overrated, but it's still a good one. All right, we get it. You like this one. This may not be everyone's favorite, but it's yours, and you're totally chill about it. You're into the classics. You're old. You're really old. Your social security number is 2. You are one pretentious hipster. Officer, it's this one, right here. Oh, you're cool. I like you. No way, you actually know that one? Can we be friends? This one's just a phase. You'll grow out of it when you grow up. You will never grow up. Oh, you picked this one to be different. How clever. If you chose this one, you are a liar. This is no one's favorite. If you chose this one, you are correct. This is the best one. And for those of you in the comments saying, where's this one? Where's that one? You're annoying. That's what that one says about you.
Just like in 1869, we opened up the American West to the southern Pacific line. 1,000 miles of wilderness, heard the hammers ringing and the voices of Gandhi dancers sing. Southern Pacific, roll on, roll on. Chicago to the Rockies, America's your home. Portland to New Orleans. Keep it on the ground when I put that hammer down. Then I'll be Texas bound and a fly.
Ooh, trains. If you all are wondering, yes, I am autistic.
Hey, Lois.
Fine.
Want to see a magic trick? Good. Abracadabra. Hamburger, 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 hamburger. This is mine now.
One, two, three.
If you wanna rock and roll, you can go to Buffalo or Toronto. Why don't you make a trip to a place that's not so hip? Give your hipster friends a slip and don't listen to their lip. I'll give you a friendly tip. Like a wanna, like a wanna, like a wanna, like a wanna, like a wanna. If you wanna rock and roll, you can go to Buffalo or Toronto. don't like tomatoes. I'm going fishing, 'cause I'm on a mission. My problem, that's just my problem.
The kind of beat that go top, 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 top. The kind of beat that go top, 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 top.
Bro, it's just a game. Calm down. Oh my god, Jack Black! Hello, I'm a big fan!
This is a Bay Ridge 96. This is a Kings Highway bound F local train.
Here it comes. Oh my, oh my, oh my god, I won! I actually won!